Hello everyone and welcome to What's Cooking Mug Edition. My name is Miss Alexis and I work at the Asheboro Public Library in the children's room. Today we are going to be making a hot chocolate cookie. If you haven't already washed your hands, you can pause the video here to do so. Let's go ahead and go over the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, and some mini marshmallows. Now let's go ahead and get started. We're going to first add our butter into our microwave safe mug. And we're going to pop that into the microwave for about 30 seconds or until it's melted. Once that's finished, we're going to add in our white sugar and our brown sugar, and we're going to use a fork and mix those all together. Now we're going to add in our egg yolk and mix that together. Now we're going to add in our flour, our cocoa powder, and our salt. You want to give that a good mix. Make sure everything is combined. Just like that. Now we're going to pop this back into the microwave for 45 seconds or until it rises. Once it's finished cooking in the microwave, ask an adult to assist you with removing the mug because it may be hot. Look at that. Now we're going to add our marshmallows on top. Oops, no marshmallow left behind. And we're going to pop this back into the microwave for about 15 seconds just to melt the marshmallows down a little bit. Now that that's finished, we're going to take it out of the microwave. Look at how the marshmallows fluffed up. Oh my goodness, I'm so ready to dig into this. As always, the best part is the taste test. I think I have some marshmallows stuck to my lip, but it's very yummy. Who knew that you can have hot chocolate in a cake form? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, join me every 2 weeks for a new episode of What's Cooking Mug Edition. Bye guys!